Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food Channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I make Sobolo or Zobo drink, sorrel drink, or even Bissap made with dried hibiscus leaves. So if you want to know how I prepare mine, please keep on watching and let's get started. So for my Sobolo recipe, I have got 1 pineapple, 2 oranges, 2 lemons, and some ginger. Okay, and I have got 1 packet of dried hibiscus leaves or sorrel leaves. I have also got 50 grams of grains of selim, 10 grams of dried pepper. I have got 10 grams of peppercorns, 15 grams of cloves, and 4 cinnamon stick or 13 grams. I have also got 1.5 cup of brown sugar, and the sugar is optional. So let's get started. I always start by washing my pineapple, okay, because I am going to use the pineapple skin. So make sure you take your time and wash it properly. And of course, I am also going to wash my lemon, ginger, and oranges. And I always use a sponge, a clean sponge, of course. Okay, and then I am also going to wash my hibiscus leaves or hibiscus flowers, and you see that some of the color will come out, but that's not a problem. Okay, so now I am going to start with my pineapple. So I'm going to cut both ends, although you could also use it and add it to your sobolo, but I don't use it. And then I am going to peel my pineapple because, as I said, I'm going to use the pineapple skin. Okay, very important in making sobolo. Okay, right, so I've got all my pineapple peels now, and I'm going to put it in my cooking pot, and make sure you are using a large enough cooking pot. Okay, so this is it, and now I am left with the pineapple fruit, and what I like to do is that I cut it into small pieces because I am going to blend it. Okay, although if you want, you can just cut it into small pieces and add it to your zobo just like that. Okay, so you do whatever you like. So now that I've cut it into small pieces, I am going to put it in my mini blender and blend it without adding any water, but feel free to add water if it's difficult for your blender. Okay, all right, now I am going to just cut my oranges into slices. I am not going to peel my oranges. And did you know that oranges contain a lot of vitamin C? It boosts your immune system. It also protects cells from damage. So do eat oranges. So I'm now going to put it in my cooking pot, and I am going to do the same thing with my lemon. So I'm using 2 lemons, but you can use even more. Okay, and just as the oranges, lemons contain a whole lot of vitamin C. It helps with weight loss, so it's just good to eat lemons. And then I'm gonna add my ginger, and y'all know what ginger does to our body. It stops acid reflux. It also aids in weight loss. So I've added my ginger, lemon, and oranges, and now I'm going to add my dried leaves, okay, and also my blended pineapple. All right, and now I am also going to add my spices, so cloves, grains of selim, dried pepper, cinnamon, and peppercorns. And I am going to add water. So I am making a lot of sobolos. So for this recipe, I am going to add about 3 liters and a half of water. Okay, you can even add more. Right, and now I am going to stir it and leave it to boil for about 45 minutes on a medium heat to low. Okay guys, so this is my sobolo here, and you can see it's boiling, and it has been on the stove for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to leave it for the remaining 20 minutes. Hey friends, so this is my sobolo and it is ready now. And the next step is very important. I am going to use my potato masher and extract all the nutrients. I am not leaving anything behind. It is very important. Right. And now I am going to remove everything that I don't need. So all the pineapple peels, the oranges, lemon, the spices. Okay. And then I am going to strain it. Okay, this step is also very important, because as you can see, as I'm straining, you can see what remains in my strainer. Okay, so I don't need it. All right, although not everybody strains it, but I do. And this is it. So my zobo is ready, guys. Okay. Right, so now this is optional, but I like to add a bit of sugar in it. So this is 1.5 cup of brown sugar. Okay, and now I'm going to stir it, leave it to cool down, and I am going to store my zobo drink or sobolo drink in my jar. And I also have some small plastic bottles. This is what I use when I am on the go. I put everything in my bottles and here I am. Okay, so this is it. Now let it chill in the fridge. And to be honest with you, I don't drink my sobolo cold. I always drink it very hot because it's good when you have got a cold or you're not feeling well. It is very good to drink. Okay, so Sobolo reduces blood pressure, it's good for your heart, it helps for depression and also for weight loss, of course, if you do not add the sugar. Okay, so it is very important. Also add the pineapples, okay, because it's loaded with nutrients. Thank you all for watching this recipe. I'll see you next time. Take care and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.